Birthday na ni Zaki!
Happy birthday, Tutu Z! Wish we're there to celebrate with you on your birthday, but because of this virus, hindi kami pwede kabakasyon dira. Tutu Z, 8 years old ka na today. My wish are happiness, healthy, meaning kaon tudo, and drink plenty of milk. Inspired to study. Please study, study, study. Okay? Love your papa and mama, and also love your brothers, Zaki, Zed, and Zuri. Don't forget to pray to Papa Jesus for keeping us all safe and for all the blessings. Happy birthday also sa kay Tutu Zaki. Mabay naman kita liwag dinosaur, ha? Okay? We love you and miss you all.
To my first apo, on this day, 8 years ago, you made me and Mamsi grandparents. We love you and always remember, we are so proud of you. Manong Z, you are a big boy now. Manong of Zed, Zaki, and Zori. Always be a good example to your brothers and always love your parents and us. Don't forget to thank Papa Jesus for all the blessings you receive every day. We love you, Manong Z.
Happy birthday, Baby Z. Ay, hindi ka nagali. Baby, subong big boy ka na. Kabot ka na for me. Always pray God for more blessings and safety for your family.
Happy birthday, Z. Time flies. You are 8 now. Dumduman na mo, sang bata ka pa. Permi ka lang adlagan, kagapaugtas kay mama and papa. Subong, you are getting older and wiser and a very good manong to 3 of your brothers. Always take care of them and always remember nga, hari lang gid kami di. Happy birthday. Always don't forget to pray. Always don't forget to pray to Papa Jesus every day. And see you soon. We love you.
Z, may gift yung nagali si mo.
Dugang sa imo savings, Z. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Z, happy birthday, and I wish and pray nga maging ano kapagid, magdako ka nga, maging big boy ka na mag-focus sa pag-eskwela, tapuson mo ang imong pag-eskwela, kag happy ako nga ikaw gid ang nag-lead sa imo nga sa mga utod mo kay Zed kag Zak nga maging mabakas kag hindi mag-away, i-remind gid sila na hindi mag-away, na magpalanggaanay gid, okay? Kag don't forget nga ikaw ang manong, ikaw ang mag-intindi parehas kay mami mo. Siya gid ang nagaintindi sa amo ni Tito Dudong mo. Kag kung ano man ang ikaw, kung may ara man nga hindi pagintindihanay ang imong mga manghod, imong mga utod, si Zed, si Zaki, or si Zuroy, ikaw mag-remind sa ila nga mag-utod ka mo kag hindi dapat mag-awayanay. Z, hindi anay magnubyo-nubyo, okay? Hindi anay magnubyo-nubya. Kag always pray gid. Always pray kay Papa Jesus. I-remind gid ang imong mga utod nga always mag-pray kag eskwela mayad, eskwela gid. Tapos I hope and pray na someday pagpuli ko tani makalakat kita sa dagat tapos mag-campfire kita. Amo kinang gusto ko mag-campfire kita. Kag yes, happy ko nga makabati nga simple ka lang gid, simple lang imong mga wish, simple lang imong mga gusto. Don't change, kag always pray, always pray. Remind yourself to be always humble and pray to Papa Jesus, okay? And to your pray for your family. Big boy ka na gid, Baby Z, hindi ka na namon baby. Kung na gid ang manong Z, happy birthday, I miss you. Ano ganitong kanta ta Kantahan ta ka. Ako si Takuri, gamay ug dako. Kini ang uyatan o kini ang ipisan, kung magbukal, ga kulo-kulo. uyatan mo ako kag ibubo. Amo na kanta ta, di ba? Happy birthday! Mwah! Oh, Zed! Zaki, happy birthday man, Zaki. Happy birthday, Zaki.
Birthday na ni Zaki! Happy birthday, Zaki! Hi, Zed!
Can you sing? No. Can you dance? No. Can you draw? No. So what can you do? Johnny. Yes, father. Yes, father. Eating sugar? No, father. Telling lies? No, father. Open your mouth.